Hello my people, welcome to my channel. In this channel we talk about various ways to make money online. This is Gafsuccess channel. Do us a favor, subscribe to this channel, like and also share, and also hit all the notification button, and whenever we post a new content related to money making tips, you'll be the first to get notified. Today's tutorial I bring to you how to make money by performing survey or sharing your opinion on this platform. This is 100% legit. I have tested it and have withdrawn, so I decided to share it for my people so that you can also make money using this strategy. You can make a lot of money by sharing your opinion or answering questions on this platform. You can see there are $1, there are $0.2, and there are a lot of money you can make on this platform just using your smartphone and your internet connection. All you need to do is to stay to the end of this video so that you will get the full result about how to navigate on this platform. Also check the description below where I'll be dropping the links and the invite code, because this platform, without invite code you will not be able to register, and also show you how you can deposit or withdraw your fund on this platform, or how you can subscribe to a plan on this platform. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by, and if you are new, just click the notification button. So click on the start now to upgrade or to subscribe for this package. Okay, you click on the subscription or update your subscription now. Then you can select any package you want depending on how much you can be able to afford on this platform. So I'm going to use the $10 package, and note this $10 package you'll be doing 3 tasks every day. Now your wallet has been generated for you. Copy your wallet, and note you are paying $10 USDT Tron. Then copy your wallet and head over to your Binance to make your deposits. Now we are on Binance. Click on your wallet on your Binance, then you click on spot. We are using USDT TRC20 for this payment. Then click on withdraw fund. Once you click on withdraw fund, then select send via crypto network. Then you enter the address you have copied on the platform. Enable it, click on paste. Select the network, which is the TRC20, scroll down and select the TRC20 network. This is compulsory, so pay close attention to this place, and also enter the amount you want to pay. Also add the charging fee, which is $1. So if you are paying $10, you add $1. The charging fee is very important so that the platform will receive the exact $10. Click on withdraw, then confirm your payment by checking the network, which is TRC20, and also note that the network fee $1 is included. Then click on confirm to confirm your payment. A code will be sent to you. Generate the code and go to your email and copy it. Boom, you just successfully withdraw. Then you have to check if your withdrawal has been processed. Now our withdrawal is in processing. All you need to do is to go back to the platform and check if your withdrawal has been made. Yes, our withdrawal $10 have been paid to this platform. Right now it's time for us to do our survey. So this is how you do your survey on this task. Make sure you read the question and you answer the correct one, and also take note about the question you are answering. Thank you, and I believe you are getting value on this tutorial. After you have submitted, or after you have completed your task on this platform, all you need to do is to submit your task, and you will see complete survey. Please note that this platform is legit. Also, don't forget to check the description below, and also like and share this content so that it will reach other people, so that they will also make money and cash out together with all. Please, if you have not subscribed yet, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification button, so whenever we post content related to money making things, you will be first person to notify it. Who knows, our next content may be a life-changing opportunity for you. If you have any question, kindly drop it on the comment section. I will also be leaving my WhatsApp link on the description below in case maybe you want to connect with me on WhatsApp and ask me some questions. Feel free. This is money making channel. Gafsuccess, we got you. Stay tuned. Ciao, ciao. See you on my next video.